Without proper bundles and upsells, you're leaving 20 to 30% more revenue on the table with every single order. At 100 orders per day, that's an extra $1,500 in daily revenue or $45,000 a month from the exact same traffic. Setting up bundles usually means another Shopify app, but with Atlas, you can get all of the functionality you need included on the most basic Atlas plan. So you can get to the app by either clicking Create Bundles or Bundle Deals here on the navigation. Once you get to the bundles page, you'll have the main dashboard and you'll also have the analytics page where you can view all of your bundle analytics. And here's where you'll be able to see all of the different bundle deals that you have made. Of course, you'll have some of the most important metrics here for convenience: visitors, click rate, ad revenue, and revenue per visitor. And then you'll have some additional quick actions here. So if you want to create a bundle, you can click this create bundle up here. And then as you can see, you have 4 different templates you can choose from, or you can just create one from scratch, or you can create one using AI, which we have an entirely separate video showing you how to do this. So let's say, for example, we want to do the volume discount. We'll click use this template. And then as you can see, we already have a base to work with. This is our bundler customizer. This is a very, very friendly interface that you'll only need to learn one time, and then you'll easily know how to navigate it moving forward. It's also the same interface we use for cart upsells so that it feels very familiar and easy to use. The first tab is settings, and this is going to contain the most important and global customizations for the entire bundle offer. Below the main customize tabs, you have the offer tabs. And this is where you get more granular with the customizations and where you fine tune every single offer just the way that you want it. So let's go back up to the top real quick and let's select a specific product to work with. We'll do the red light therapy wand. Underneath the bundle settings, we're going to have the offer settings, and we'll be able to change the image size and the radius, which is when we add an image here. We'll have the ability to change the variant image settings. We'll have pricing display options, such as showing compare at price or use product compare at price. And then we'll have the option to skip the cart and go directly to checkout if we want to. Say, for example, I want to add an image to this offer. We'll go to buy one, the first offer. We'll click add image. And then I'm going to click this image and you can see it pops up here. And then if we go back to settings, we can adjust the size of this image, right? So a good practice is to use your product with a transparent background so that it just appears inside of this bundle. And this always looks really, really good, especially if you add 2 of those products here, 3 of those products here, and so on and so forth. Underneath settings, we have colors. Here we can customize all of the colors inside of the bundler. So starting on the outside, we have the line accent color, then we have background colors, then we have text colors, then we have the border color. Say we want to make this red. Underneath that, we have our badge colors. Now, there's 3 different kinds of badges we have in our bundler. We have our inner badge, our outside badge, and then our custom badges. So this right here is our inner badge. We have our outside badge, which is something similar. And then we have our custom design badges. Now, these gradient colors only apply to the custom badges. However, soon we will have gradient options on all of these badges. So by the time you're watching this, this might not even matter. Then we have pricing colors where we can change the specific colors of the price. We have the upsell colors, which applies to the additional product upsells inside one of these offers. And then finally, we have gift colors. And these are the colors that apply to the free gift, which we can add once again in the individual offer. Moving along to text, here you can customize the size of any of the text in the bundler and also the font weight and the style. Then we have subscriptions. We integrate with Loop and Seal. And in a separate video, we'll show you how to set up and integrate subscriptions using Loop or Seal subscriptions so that you can give your customers a discount when they're purchasing off your website, and so that you can also build up a recurring source of revenue on your e-commerce store. Finally, we have the AI Wizard. We've made an entirely separate video dedicated to showing you how to create a bundle offer with the AI Wizard. Here we have offer number 1. As you can see here, we have a couple of quick actions. We can move this down if we want, or we can move it back up. We can also duplicate this offer. And here we can get into the types of discounts we want to offer inside of this offer. So we have regular price, fixed amount, percentage, specific price, buy X get Y, buy X get Y percentage, and then bundle products. You can actually add multiple different products horizontally so that you can combine different products and sell them in one offer. I'll show you a quick example. As you can see, they're combined, and now we can sell both of them together. Then we have badge details. So this is the custom badge that I mentioned earlier. These are all badges that are going to stand out and they're going to take up more space in the corner here. And then at the very bottom, we have the add-ons. So here we can add an upsell, which is an entirely new product if we wanted to upsell it, We can of course have it selected by default. We can have this visible only when the offer is selected. We can add custom images and change the size and border of that images. And of course we can choose the pricing type as well. Free gift is just the same, but more simple. Adding free gifts to your offers is a very popular way to increase the value and the perceived value of that offer and get more people to add it to cart. Once you're done customizing offer number 1, you can move to offer number 2 here, and then you can go to offer number 3. And if you want to add another one, you can. Obviously, I didn't put very much effort into customizing this bundle, so it doesn't look amazing. You guys are more than welcome to go in here and make this as pretty as possible. We have a demo store, and we are working on creating other demo stores as well, where you can preview the capabilities of our bundler and how good you can actually get these bundlers to look. If you wanted to save this as a draft, you could do so by clicking the button here. That way it won't appear live to any of your customers, or you can just directly publish it. Another thing is this product previewing. So if you wanted to change what product you're actually previewing on this preview here, you can do so by just clicking this drop down and selecting any product that you want. And then finally, we have the A/B testing. So as you can see, A/B testing is disabled. Select all products and save the bundle to create A/B testing variants. Once we've saved it properly, this button will appear, enable A/B testing. All you have to do is simply click it, and then you'll see variant A and variant B. So as you can see, we are in variant A now, and this is variant B. So if you wanted to change something about variant B, change the color, then publish variant, and you will begin your A/B test. As you can see, let me click save first. And then as you can see, when I switch between the two, you have the 2 different variants. So that concludes our tour of the bundler. And as you can see, you have most of the functionality that you would need. If there is something that we are missing, please go to this tab here, suggest feature, and go ahead and click suggest feature. There's a lot of community members that suggest features here, and this is where we get a lot of our roadmap and a lot of our micro features that we miss when we're building our product. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any questions about the bundler, feel free to reach out to our support here with this intercom widget, and our support would be happy to help you.